Good morning. Welcome to the morning forecast discussion for October 2nd, 2012. It's currently 9:30 a.m. and it looks like we're going to be dealing with a little bit of rain over the next 3 days. Currently, temperatures range from the upper 50s to lower 60s over the northern interior and lower to mid 60s along the coast. As you can see, we have winds coming in from the east and the southeast, ranging anywhere around 5 miles per hour, and we do have overcast skies with showers approaching from the southwest. In fact, they're already invading portions of eastern Pennsylvania. Taking a look at the latest radar, you can see showers and widespread moderate to heavy showers in some cases are lifting north and east through central and eastern Pennsylvania. The bulk of this rainfall will remain to the west and northwest of the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area, but we'll still be dealing with the potential for scattered showers throughout the entire region. Best potential rain, of course, is going to be over eastern Pennsylvania. As the showers lift north and east, there will be a potential for a heavy downpour here and there, so use some caution if you're caught in one of those heavy downpours. The rainfall amounts over the next 3 days will range anywhere from a half an inch to up to 2 inches of rain, depending on whether you fall under one of those heavy downpours. Right now, the best bet for the heavy rain likely is going to be over eastern Pennsylvania. Taking a look at the water vapor satellite picture, you can see our pattern evolving into a much cooler weather pattern, but we're going to be dealing with a bit more humid air over the next 3 days in order to get to that cool weather pattern. What am I talking about? Well, you see this low pressure system right here? This is associated with a subtropical disturbance, which is right here. But we also have a polar disturbance, which is right here in this strong cold front right here. Now, what's going to happen is this. This low pressure system is going to become entrained in the polar jet stream. So it's going to lift north and east. As it's doing so, so will this warm front. So our winds are going to shift from the east and southeast to the south and eventually southwest as that warm front lifts north and east. So expect scattered showers today and tomorrow as this low pressure system moves north and east. However, by Thursday, the low pressure system is going to lift up into the St. Lawrence River Valley and southeastern Canada, forcing this cold front right here and this cold front here to lift through the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area with more scattered showers. Now, ahead of this cold front and behind this warm front, look for temperatures to range anywhere from the upper 70s to lower 80s. So those will be the highs for tomorrow and for Thursday. For today, because we have an easterly wind, temperatures are going to be trapped more in the lower to mid 70s. Once this cold front moves through, though, well, then we start stepping down to a much chillier weather pattern as this cold front blows through on Saturday evening. Taking a look at the latest forecast guidance from the European model guidance from the Penn State EWOL website, an excellent website for all your model needs. Here we are again for this evening. You can see a clear split in the pattern. Here's our subtropical disturbance. Here's our polar disturbance. So you can see there's a clear split in the jet stream between the subtropical and polar. So for this evening, again, we have a southwesterly wind aloft. We have southeasterly winds at the surface. We have moisture moving through from the Gulf of Mexico, and that means we're going to be under the threat for scattered showers. That same pattern will continue on through tomorrow with the threat for scattered showers. However, by Thursday evening, the cold front moves through with more scattered showers and a change in the air mass, a gradual change. Instead of temperatures being in the upper 70s to lower 80s, by the time we get to Friday, well, not only are we going to be drier with high pressure and control briefly, but we'll also experience temperatures more in the lower to mid 70s, so a bit cooler on Friday. But the real cool down is going to be for this weekend. We're going to have a series of cold fronts move through on Saturday and Sunday. Now, I think the wettest period of this weekend is going to be Saturday evening to Sunday morning with the stronger cold front. On Saturday, look for temperatures to step down into the upper 60s to lower 70s. A little bit above normal for this time of year, but not so much. It's seasonably warm, unlike what will be the next 2 days, where it will be well above normal. So again, Saturday dealing with more scattered showers. Not a washout of the weekend, but clearly a bit of a nuisance. By Sunday, the stronger cold front moves through. I think by Sunday afternoon into Sunday evening, strong Canadian high pressure will take hold, and you will experience the difference with temperatures falling off significantly. I'm talking about highs on Sunday afternoon in the lower to mid 60s. Much more fall-like, perfect for any type of football weather and for any outdoor games. Now by Monday, high pressure will be in control, clearing skies, and temperatures in the upper 50s to mid 60s for highs. We're going to be talking about lows in the upper 30s to lower 40s. Oh, and by the way, on Sunday morning, with our low pressure system exiting, there could be a few locations in the highest elevations, we're talking above 1,500 feet, where you could see some snow mix in with some of those departing showers. Nothing significant, but clearly clues that we're heading towards a much colder weather pattern. So that is your forecast for today. It looks like we're stepping down to a much colder weather pattern, and as a result, we're going to be dealing with some unsettled weather the next few days. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. You can follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter and Facebook. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe out there.